What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about videos regarding how to make money online. Today I found some website where you can make money just by receiving emails to your inbox, Gmail inbox, okay, or whatever email you have, right? Before I proceed, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day on YouTube. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you how you do this. As you can see on the screen, this is called Fusion Cash. But before I start, I'd like to notify you that this website is only available to the United States. So if you are not from the United States, then this might not work for you because they will ban your account if you're not from the United States. So I've seen that if you're from the United States, keep watching. And this is the website that pays you for doing various kinds of tasks like completing surveys and completing tasks and watching videos, and also you will get paid for receiving emails, for reading emails that you will receive from them, and for that they will pay you some money. And also by joining this website, by clicking on sign up button and filling up and creating an account here, you will get $5 sign up bonus right away. Okay, so this is a really good start. And the next thing is you can also get paid for referring friends, playing games, and simple things like that. So they also have a dedicated community forum like this one, and as you can see, you can if there's any kind of problem, and you can get support here directly. As you can see, this site is really popular and there are so many posts around here. So go to payment section and you will see that these are the proofs that that someone is getting paid. Okay, my first check, if I take a look here, you will see that the first check arrived, and okay, as you can see, congratulations and all this stuff. And okay, paying from Fusion Cash today. So the nice for Fusion Cash to pay early. Got mine today for May 2020 and am on my way to getting enough for June. Thanks FC. So that means they're a really legit website and they really pay. And if you're in the United States, this will work for you. But if your country is outside the United States, then I don't know, it will not work probably, and you might get banned for creating an account here. So it's for the residents living in the United States. So this will pay you really good, and there's a $5 sign up bonus, as I said. So that's incredible. And look, my cash out request has been approved and processed on, and I request a payment on May 29th. So someone is getting paid 27 bucks. It is not a really lot of money, but it is a side hustle money. So if you get paid just by doing nothing, and like just by completing some easier tasks or reading emails online, then that's incredible, right? So this is what about it is right now. And in the fact section, they have already told that you will get paid via PayPal. Okay, so look at this. Okay, payment section. How much money do I need? The minimum cash out balance required is 20 bucks. Okay, now how do I request a payment? To request a payment, click on request payment link in your balance sheet, and we will pay you through PayPal, Bitcoins, and by check. So if your PayPal email address is the same in our system, you don't have to ready. That means when you register, use the same email that is used to register in your PayPal account, so that you don't have to do extra stuff. So that's how it is. And you must be from okay, anyway, so as I said, you must be from USA, Canada. So that's it for now. Now the next site that I'm going to talk about is called this website that I have been talking about, Unique Rewards. This is called Unique Rewards. Okay, and what you have to do is that you have to you'll get paid for completing offers and surveys, watching videos, playing free games, clicking ads, shopping online. That means you get a cashback of something, and you'll also get paid for clicking ads, and you'll get paid for reading emails. What I said in this video, right? Now there's some testimonials here. I've just signed up for absolutely free offers and received $105 for 2 days. That's incredible. I don't think you will make $102 in 2 days, but it will obviously work for some people, and it might work for you. Now you have to fill in the registration form, visit sites and emails, and shop online. You'll get cash rewards from them. So the fact section, as I went to there, okay. As I said, you need $20 to request the payment. The $20 is the payment threshold rate. So as soon as you reach $20, you will be able to request a payout via PayPal, and they also pay via PayPal. Always register with the PayPal email, okay? So that will be great, and there will be no such hassle. And in order to ensure that the users are from the allowed countries are US, Canada, and UK. So this website doesn't work in other countries. So that's the only drawback I see here. Otherwise, I think this is good, and you will also get paid for reading emails, and that's incredible. And so this is a unique rewards, as I said, and so okay, just go to this section, register an account, like just to click away. Okay, this is where you have to register, sign up button. Okay, here you have to put some your names here, your country, like the country, state, or province, and you have to put it here. And so these are the 3 countries that are allowed currently. Okay, so 10% of cash bonus for all offers completed today and tomorrow. That's incredible. And this is how you can make money from this website. And I hope this video is really helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily regarding how to make money online. And also as a disclaimer, this process, by following this tutorial, you might not make any money. So as a disclaimer, I would say that you might not make a single dime by following this process, but I would recommend you to check it out and see if it works for you, and let me know if it works for you. And it takes a lot of effort and time, so you have to put that into it in order to make some money. Okay, it is not an overnight thing. So that's what I wanted to say regarding this. And also, thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.